Hey guys, what's up? It's Hayden G243 here. I'm gonna do a bike check slash like showcase kind of thing of my Purefix Bravo. It came out to about $330. I got a discount on it. Zoom seat post, Purefix seat, Nico headset. I got the Pista bars with the tape, blue Deep V dish rims. I put my toe clips on here. It comes freewheeled, so I switched it to fixed. I got the Purefix Nightlight in blue, rears in red. Front is in white, slow blink, then seizure mode. So then I got my lock. They have the bottle cage bolts on there. The front brake, I wanted to take it off, but parents won't let me. I got the brake like taped on there. Might take off the reflectors. Regular chain, fixed. And then I have the risers, I just put on the bull horns. And that's pretty much it. Overall, really nice bike. It's a 50 centimeter. I really like this. I recommend getting one, Purefix. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.